Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all had a great week and you've had an amazing Halloween time. I know some of you guys may still have Halloween parties on this coming week and this coming weekend. I do on Saturday. I'm going with my sister with her friends to their Halloween party and I'm doing my sister's makeup and my makeup. I'm looking forward to that. Halloween has been so fun. We had our Halloween party here at our house. It was such a good turnout. I love the way everything looked. It was also for Matthew's 30th. The week before that we went to the Waihi Beach pub for a Halloween gig, which was really fun. So technically done Halloween antics twice and this weekend will be 3 times. So that is the most I've ever done. I'm excited that it's November because for Matthew's 30th I booked him a surprise trip to Fiji. He obviously knows about it now. I announced it on his birthday, which was on the 23rd of October. So I booked it for the 10th of November. I am so looking forward to it. We're going for 6 days. But yeah, I am so proud of myself for booking this trip. This is probably like the best gift I've ever given somebody and I felt like we were definitely in need of a holiday. Like we did go to the South Island of New Zealand for 2 weeks for our honeymoon. But I was like, oh my gosh, this is like almost honeymoon 2.0 because our wedding was in February. But I like planned this all by myself, like no travel agent. We're like island hopping. We're going to like 4 different resorts, so I am so looking forward to it. And I just feel so proud of myself, like to be able to book this, you know, now being self-employed. Did really well in October for myself, so I'm able to book things like this. And it obviously wasn't cheap. I'm so glad that I'm quite independent and I'm my own boss babe and I'm a hustler. So anyway, because we're going to Fiji, I am going to be living in swimwear. It is such nice weather. It's like 29, 30 degrees there. And it's good because you don't get burnt as much as you would here in New Zealand. So I'm literally going to be living in bikinis. I was like, oh, what video should I film before we go? Matthew's actually like, why don't you film a bikini haul, like everything you're taking to Fiji? And I was like, oh my gosh, that's actually a good idea. You guys love my bikini hauls. My audience seems to love them. And I was like, this is great because I can show you all my favorite bikinis in my whole collection. Obviously, I want to take all my favorite bikinis because I want to feel good. I want to feel confident. I want to get heaps of cool photos there. If you guys want to see more swimwear hauls and lookbooks, then please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Monday at 3 AM New Zealand time and YouTube shorts every other day. So I'm just going to quickly show you them. If I remember where it's from, I'll let you know, and if not, then I'll leave it down below in the description. I'll try and link everything in order. Anyway, I'm going to show you this one that I'm wearing now. I feel so beautiful in this one and so pretty. I've worn it a few times as a top. I've had countless compliments on this, probably like 5 compliments so far when I've worn it out, and that's a lot for clothing. So I might look really pale right now. I only put on 1 layer of fake tan. I will definitely be doing 2 or 3 layers before I go to Fiji because I like looking extra dark, and those of you might be like, oh well, why don't you suntan? No, I used to suntan too much when I was younger and I've got so many freckles on my back. I've actually got a skin appointment at the end of November. It's the first one I've been to, so they're gonna like check all my moles and make sure that none are skin cancer. Fingers crossed they're not, but I used to burn all the time when I was younger and I have a higher risk for melanoma than other people because it's in my family. My dad's had it twice and I've got more spots than usual all over my back, so I'm not going to suntan. I always fake tan, and that's why I'm going to go hard on sunblock. So even if you're like, oh, it's so nice to suntan, you still can, but you just pack yourself in sunblock. This one is still available. It's from Cupshe. I am obsessed with it. It is so pretty. I love the cut of it too, such good quality, and I love like this little V in the middle. It's got pads in it. I love the little like ruched sleeves. And yeah, I wear it as a top, so I just put jeans on. This is what it looks like from the back. So I really like it. I like the cut and how it comes down quite low. I love these straps. I forgot to mention, all of the swimwear in this video that I'm showing you is affordable. Apart from like 1 or 2, but most of them are like really affordable. So here's the next bikini. I thought I would like just show you like this, like every one. Otherwise this video is gonna take way too long if I show it up to the camera. Like I said, if you want a more in-depth review of these bikinis, then just check out my bikini lookbooks, but I will say enough for you to know what these are like. These are obviously all my favorite bikinis. I really like this one. This one is from Barnett. I feel so like glam and sexy in this one, and I really like the leopard patterns. It is good if you are a little bit more confident in showing your body because the bum is a little bit more like cheeky, obviously. It isn't like wide, it obviously goes like more in. Yeah, I just like how you can tie it up over there, and I think this is gonna look so cool in photos, like the blue. And oh my gosh, I forgot, it comes with one of these like little shawls as well, which I'm definitely gonna bring with me. That's how it should look like. I really like this one. I'll try my best to show all my favorite ones first, like my top 5 kind of thing. So the next bikini is this one. I really like this one. I think it looks so luxe and like high-end and fashionable, and I really love the gold chain detailing, and I love how it's like off the shoulder. You can also wear it like up here too, but I probably will. I really like the shape on the bum, like it doesn't cover too much but it's not too cheeky. Like I think it's the perfect in between. But also keep in mind that for most of our holiday we are on private islands, so there'll probably be like no one around. There obviously will be like around the pool and stuff, but like when we're on the beach or like at our private villa, there'll be like no one around, so I don't really care how much butt I'm showing. I didn't even tell you where this one is from. This one is from Barnett, by the way, so hopefully this one is available, and if it isn't then I'm sorry, but I'll try and link something similar down below. So I am obsessed with this swimsuit. This one is probably one of my favorites, obviously. It's in my top 5 that I'm showing you first. This one is from Cupshe. It honestly fits like a glove, but not only that, it's so comfortable, and not only that, I love the colours and the patterns. And when I did feature this in my Cupshe lookbook, I even had guys saying, oh, that's like a really nice flattering fit. And I so think it is. Like, it is so tight. Like, the one thing that I hate about one pieces is that when you wear them, it goes baggy between your lower back and your bum, especially if you have like a smaller waist like me. It's so annoying. This one, as you can see, like sits flat to your waist. It is brilliant, and as you can see here, it looks really nice at the bum, and I'll move my head, like has this nice crisscross design, which I think is really cute. And yeah, it just sits really nice, and I like wearing one pieces now because you just feel a little bit more like covered up when you do go to like public swimming areas as well. Also, I thought it wasn't just me. I thought, oh my gosh, I look really tanned in this, and just before I walked out in this, Matthew said, oh, it makes you look really tan. So benefits of this one piece is it makes you look really tanned, and I love the colouring. Here's this one piece from Barnett. This should have been like in my top 3. I really like this one. I did bring this one with us on our honeymoon to the South Island, and I did wear them to like the Queenstown onsen pools. I love this set so much. This one is so cool. It is so flattering. It is so shaping. I love the little frills. I love the colour. It's just like a tie-up one like this, and obviously the bum looks good as well. Like, it's not too small or not too big, like it's just the perfect amount, and it's like comes quite high up. So yeah, I think this one looks really cool. This one has pads in it as well, and you can tie it up super tight to like make your boobies look bigger. But yeah, I really like this one, and I definitely know I'm going to take photos in this one. I think this one is really cute. Oh my gosh, I also forgot to mention this has a little shawl as well. This is so cool. I love these things. This one is a little bit longer than that blue one, I feel, which is good. Look at this. This is so ideal. I really like these, like especially if you're going out by the pool and you don't really like showing much of your body. And you can even wrap it around like your top, but obviously I like wrapping it around the bottom. Guys, check out this one piece. I should have shown this in the first 3 because I am obsessed with this one. This one is stunning. Like, I just love the colors. It's so bright, it stands out, it's flattering. It really shapes you around the waist. It makes your boobs look nice. It sits really nicely at the back. It's full coverage. It hides your tummy. I like the clasp. This one is so flattering. It looks so bright and so cool, and it really stands out, and it makes me feel like a beach babe. I don't know, I really like this one. Definitely gonna like have a lot of use out of this one. So how stunning is this bikini? This one is from Victoria's Secret. This is probably the most expensive bikini out of every one that I'm showing you. I don't even know if they have these anymore. I bought this years ago, but it is stunning. I love the material. I love the leopard print, and it's padded. I love the 3 straps and the 3 straps here. You know, it's just really glamorous, and I really like this one. This one is a full back as well, so you don't get insecure when you're like walking around in your togs. When I walk up close, you can see like the details in this, like the VS here. I really like this bikini. Can you guys believe that this is from Wish? It was so affordable, and it honestly looks like a high-end bikini. Like, I've paid heaps for this. I love the snake skin print. I love the fit, and it just fits perfectly. Like, the top and the bottoms are like high-waisted, but not like super high-waisted. It would have been really cool though if it did come like up to here and it was like super tight. As you can see here, it has like a clasp at the back and it fits really nicely. I really like this one, and I always remember my friend Sacha making a comment saying, oh my god sis, is that from Wish? It honestly looks like an expensive bikini. So no, it's not. This one is probably the cheapest one out of everything that I've shown you in today's video. And I really like this. I have worn it before in an Instagram post, and I think it looks really cute and pretty, and I really like the colouring in this one. Love it. So this swimsuit is from Zaful. I don't know if they actually came together. I don't think they did. I think they came separately, but both of these individual items were from Zaful. I don't know if they have them available, but like I said, I can just link something similar. I really like these two colours together though. I think this green bottoms did come with a white top though. And I like this top because it is padded, it is comfortable, it's got this cute pattern here. These green bottoms are so nice. It does come up really high-waisted. It covers your belly button. The back looks so flattering as well. As you can see here, it is ruched. It's a ruched bottom, so it really sits in your bum and really shapes your booty, and it makes it look really nice, which I really like. You can't go wrong with a ruched bum. So this set definitely would have been in my top 5 or 6. I really like this one. This top is actually from Zaful, and these bottoms are actually from Berry Dog. I had never heard of Berry Dog before, but I really wanted like a G-string bikini, so I typed up G-string bikinis and then this came up. So this came as just the bottoms, and I know it's really small and it's definitely not for everyone, but I really like the way it looks, and it looks really nice with this top. You can also do it with like a just full-on black top, but I liked how this top was a little bit more like covering because the bottoms is so small. But as you can see here, it's a G-string bikini, so it is really small. I know for some of you guys it's like probably really tiny, but I really like this. I always think G-string bikinis make your bum look so nice. If you have a small bum, wear a G-string bikini and gain some confidence because it's going to make your bum look brilliant. Looks really good. I'm not shy to wear stuff like this, maybe in public, maybe a little bit, but like I said, we're on private islands and nobody is gonna like be around, and even if they are around, who cares? Let them judge. You should feel confident. I love these patterns on this top as well. I think it's really cool. I love the like crisscross in the middle. So this swimsuit I really like. I think this would be definitely up there in the top like 8. I think this one looks really pretty. This is why it's one of my favorites. It is really white, it makes you look tanned. It's really pretty. I love the detailings on it. You can also wear this top as like a top with jean shorts or something. And guess where it was from? Wish. So this one was really affordable, and it just goes to show like Wish does do really good stuff on there as well if you are on a budget. I also love the bottom, how it's like kind of goes in. I like that a little bit better than the wide set bottoms just because it like flatters your bum a little bit more. And yeah, I just think this one looks really pretty and it's really comfortable. Let's just hope that this one doesn't go see-through. That's the only thing, because it doesn't have like any double lining. Like it just feels like material, but that's why this kind of thing is good for like photos and laying by the pool kind of thing. Wish did really well with this one. I think this one looks amazing. By the way, if you can hear a howling dog, it's because there's new neighbors at the top house and it just howls all day. And last but not least, this swimsuit here is stunning. This one is from Cupshe. I love the stuff on the Cupshe website. I could have honestly showed you so much more swimsuits in this video, but I try to narrow it down to my most favorite ones that I wear most often and the ones that I like the best out of everything. This one is stunning. It's really similar to that Eamon one, but it's got the crisscross down at the front, so it just makes it look a little bit more glam, a little bit more detail. I do prefer this one over the Eamon one, but if you are a plain gal, then the plain black one would definitely be for you. This one is super comfortable and it doesn't sit as low as the Eamon one, I don't think. Oh yeah, it still sits quite low on the back, and as you can see here, it just fits nice and snug. It's similar material to the Eamon one, and yeah, I just feel really pretty in this one. I think that it suits the gold earrings as well, like the detailing in here suits the earrings. As you can see, this one is really flattering, really pretty, a little bit sexy. I like it. So that was the end of this swimwear lookbook for you guys. These were all of my favorites. Like I said, lots of them were mostly from Zaful, Cupshe and Barnett. Few from Wish, one from Victoria's Secret, one bottom from Berry Dog. So yeah, there was a little bit of a range in there, but you can obviously see that I like mostly Cupshe. I'll be living in these bikinis, so that's why I'm bringing mostly bikinis. I might bring like a few pairs of shorts and crop tops and maybe like 2 jumpers with some shoes, and that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. Like I said, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more like this, and also let me know down below in the comments what was your favorite swimsuit. I would love to know. Remember, I'll link everything down below in the description for you guys, and I will try and find everything, and if some things aren't available, then I'll just link something down below that's like similar style or colors or patterns kind of thing. By the way, in my next week's video, that one's going to be pre-filmed because next Monday we'll be in Fiji, so I am pre-filming another video just so there's another one up for you guys. So I hope you enjoy. I so can't wait, looking forward to this holiday. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching, and I'll see you in my next week's video. Bye.